This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate oats. First, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your preferred milk in a small saucepan. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, like maple syrup or sugar. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly makes the chocolate taste richer and more pronounced. This simple base sets the stage for a delicious breakfast. Now let's get cooking. Place your saucepan over medium heat. Stir the mixture frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Bring the oats to a gentle simmer and continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them, as cooking times can vary slightly. You'll know they're done when they've absorbed most of the liquid and reached your preferred creamy, thick consistency. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Once your hot chocolate oats are cooked, it's time for the fun part: toppings. For a classic hot chocolate experience, pile on some mini marshmallows. If you prefer a fruity twist, fresh berries or sliced banana are fantastic additions. You can also add a drizzle of peanut butter for extra protein and flavor, or sprinkle some chocolate chips on top for an indulgent treat. Get creative and make it your own. Your delicious hot chocolate oats are now ready to enjoy. Carefully spoon them into a bowl and serve immediately while warm. This comforting and satisfying meal is perfect for a cozy breakfast or a delightful snack any time of day. It's a simple pleasure that brings a smile. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.